12 hours before you plan to mix the dough, make a sweet stiff starter. To 40 grams of active starter, add 10 grams of sugar. "40 grams of water, and 80 grams of flour. Mix well. Cover with plastic wrap, a damp cloth, or a lid. Let set at room temperature overnight. Next, make a tangzong. Combine 25 grams of bread flour, with 120 grams of milk. This can be done at the same time as the sweet stiff starter and placed in the fridge overnight, or it can be made just before mixing the dough as long as it is given adequate time to cool before incorporating. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat. Whisk continuously until the mixture thickens, 3 to 5 minutes. At first, nothing will appear to be happening, but once the mixture begins to thicken, it will do so very quickly. Beware of this and don't stop whisking until it is finished. Remove from heat. Cover tightly with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Cool completely before incorporating into your dough. Now it's time to mix the dough. Add all of the tangzong to your sweet stiff starter. Then, add 250 grams of bread flour, 30 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of salt. Last, add 125 grams worth of egg, about 2 to 3 eggs. Transfer to a stand mixer fitted with a dough hook attachment. Knead until the dough roughly comes together. At this point, it's time to incorporate the butter. Add 1 stick of softened butter to the dough, 1 tablespoon at a time, fully incorporating each tablespoon before adding the next. Once the butter has been fully incorporated, continue kneading on a medium-high speed, 6 to 8 on a KitchenAid stand mixer, until the dough slaps the side of the bowl and passes a window pane test, 15 to 25 minutes. Near the end of the kneading process, you'll notice the stand mixer begins to jump. Watch it carefully and don't let it jump off the counter. Form your dough into a round. You might choose to leave it in your stand mixer or transfer it to a smaller bowl if desired. Cover with plastic wrap, a damp towel, or a lid. Let the dough proof until it has increased in volume by 30 to 50%, 3 to 6 hours. Refrigerate the dough overnight. The next morning, butter your loaf pan really good with 1 tablespoon of softened butter. Remove your dough from the fridge. Divide the cold dough into 8 equally sized pieces. Cold dough is essential here because it will prevent a sticky mess and make shaping a breeze. Shape each piece into a ball and place in your buttered loaf pan. Cover and let rest at room temperature until the dough reaches the top of the pan, 7 to 10 hours. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Make an egg wash by mixing 1 whole egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Whisk thoroughly. Brush the egg wash all over the loaf. Transfer your brioche to your preheated oven and bake for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, add aluminum foil to prevent the egg wash from burning. Then, bake 10 minutes more. This soft and squishy bread is amazing fresh out of the oven, but will taste great for days thanks to the addition of the tangzong. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.